Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, a hi, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. In today's video, let's talk about how to clean a refrigerator for a bad smell. Some fridges smell like maybe there is a dead rat. Now what to do is to empty a fridge and a freezer. Make sure you get somewhere to store your things. Then remove the shelves and the bins, wash them in clean water. Then dissolve baking soda with water. Then rinse a clean cloth. Then wipe inside the refrigerator. Repeat it again and again till the odor is gone. Then leave it open overnight. Now my fridge is clean. What I did, I just removed everything and I put it aside. Then I removed all these shelves and bins, all these, and I washed them properly in water, using water with soap. Then I used baking soda. I put it in water. Then I rinsed my clothes, a soft cloth. Then I wiped again and again till my fridge is now clean. My freezer is now clean. And make sure when you put containers, they are covered tight. See?